Hey guys, my name is Emerson Claus. Today we are going to put on a new gear shift linkage, and I think today we're only going to need a 3/8 box wrench or a crescent wrench if that's all you have, which shouldn't be that hard. You might need two. We're kind of going to figure this out together and see how it goes. I got this from Nasty Baggers. I'm pretty excited about it. This was a birthday gift, I think. It was a while ago, but we've been busy riding and, living life, and I didn't really have time. So we're going to get this thing put on, and guys, if you can, like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in the future. Thanks for watching. So here we go. We are going to try to disassemble, and you do need 2 wrenches, just so we're clear on that. I'm going to try to do this as smooth as possible. So I am using a crescent wrench to grab the bullet nut, if that's what we want to call it, on the outside here. And it's not really... Okay, so that did work. Alright. Now we'll kind of try to speed through this. Yeah, some minor adjusting, and we should be good to go. Oh, yep, try not to drop your nuts. No pun intended. And this one, it should. Whew, it is definitely on there. Ooh, careful of the knuckles. Yeah, we'll leave a little skin right there. Yeah, it's not gonna hurt anything. Alright, get rid of that. And just like that. So, what I would do is lay these on the ground. Alright, just careful with the new one. So we're going to line these guys up a little bit. Right, so this has to come over just a hair, okay? But see, this one right here is a little bit longer, which means our bolts are a little off. So what we're gonna do is open this guy a little bit. Actually, we're gonna split the difference. Open that, open that, until you get it just right. All right, splitting the difference. It's pretty close. So this one is right there. And this one, that's pretty close, guys. I think we're gonna leave it at that. So let's go ahead and slap this new one in. I had it backwards the whole time. Hopefully that doesn't affect anything. Slide this guy through. And then we're gonna put this guy right back, which we should do this one first. Yep. This one's a little difficult to start threading. Let's see if we can get it. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. And I see that's pretty good. Alright, so open these nuts off a little. Oh, different size. So this is about, oh, and I lied in the video. 7/16, not 3/8. I'm sorry. 7/16, bad form. Yeah, I'll just tighten these guys up. About the 7/16 goes right in. Yeah, give it a good, just grab it. Give it a good turn. There was still Loctite already in there, so not really too worried about that one. And seems to be sitting pretty nicely right there. So we're gonna put the washer back on. Take the bullet nut and go back on as best you can. All right. Yeah, we're gonna give it one final crank here. So it should move pretty freely. So the only thing we gotta do now is tighten up these little guys. Let's see if the 7/16 fits on there. And give it a couple little tweaks like that. Okay. Now, just switch sides here. Slide that guy on carefully. Give it just a little bit of pressure. Okay. And that is what it's going to look like when you are all said and done. Oh, look at my little guy hanging out up in there. Yeah. My lucky charm. Well, listen. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Hopefully, it helped you get this done. Like I said earlier, I said it was 3/8. It is a 7/16. So, 7/16 wrench, and I didn't have a 1/2 inch. I don't know where that ended up. I'm pretty sure the other nut is a 1/2 inch, but crescent wrench, good to go. Just be careful. It is chrome. Be careful when you're putting everything on. And yeah. Hope you guys liked the video. I'll see you guys on the next one very soon. Hey guys, my name is Emerson Claus. I am going to show you how to put a gear lift shank it.
Just use the